Watch history focused to the national capital. Residents in Delhi NCR saw a smog-filled Sunday as air quality in Delhi NCR dipped to the severe category. The toxic smog has significantly reduced visibility and raised concerns of respiratory troubles. Prominent areas such as Rohini, R.K. Puram and Dwarka recorded alarming levels of pollution. Neighbouring Noida and Gurugram too registered dangerous levels of particulate matter. Experts meanwhile warn that the air quality is likely to worsen in the coming days as stubble burning in neighbouring states and vehicular emissions expected to contribute to the pollution troubles. My colleague Tanishka has been tracking the story from the ground for us. Take a look.
As Delhi continues to breathe in unease, the AQI index continues to shuttle between the very poor and now the severe categories. As per the Central Pollution Control Board, we do understand that the air quality index average as of this morning at 6 a.m. has been that of 370, which is in itself in the very poor category. I'm currently standing at the India Gate, and this is noon right now, wherein you can of course see the India Gate, but there is still a thin layer of fog, and as we speak right now, the AQI index of this area stands at 387, which is in the very poor category, an alarming 387. And a lot of, several pockets of the city have recorded AQI readings above 400, indicating being in the severe air quality index. And the key pollution hotspots include Wazirpur, which has recorded an AQI of 425, Bhavana, which has recorded an AQI of 410, Rohini at 409, R.K. Puram, which is very much in, Delhi, is 418. Dwarka is at 401. Now, of course, there are a lot of weather and, meteorological factors also that have contributed to the pollution being at where it is right now. The wind speeds are only at 4 kilometers per hour. And we also understand that the Delhi Safdarjung station has recorded a visibility of only 500 meters, which is why, so this means that the pollutants in the atmosphere are unable to get dispersed. But definitely the major polluting factors continue to remain the particulate matter 2.5 and 10 in the atmosphere, which is very hazardous at this point. We're only at the beginning of November and the air quality is already reaching the severe category.